Keeping your Precision Brewer clean will ensure your machine produces quality coffee every time. Here's a quick overview on how to clean the outer housing, carafe, coffee basket, mesh basket filter, and the shower head. Remember, always turn the coffee machine off and remove the plug from the power outlet before cleaning. When it comes to cleaning the outer housing and the LCD screen, you can do this with a soft, clean, damp cloth. Apply the cleaner to the cloth and not the LCD surface. Then polish with a soft, dry cloth. Avoid dry paper towels or abrasive cloths and cleaners as they may scratch the surface. To keep your carafe in shape, avoid leaving brewed coffee standing overnight as it can stain the carafe. For a light clean, simply rinse the carafe and lid under warm running water. For a deeper clean, we recommend regularly washing the carafe in warm soapy water using a soft bristled brush. When cleaning the coffee basket and mesh basket filter, be mindful that they may still be very hot after brewing. Ideally, allow them to cool before removing. Discard any ground coffee and filter paper. Rinse the coffee basket and mesh basket filter under cold running water and inspect the fine holes of the mesh basket filter to ensure they're clear. For a deeper clean, use warm soapy water and a soft bristled brush. And finally, for intermittent cleaning of the shower head, simply wipe down the shower head area. But if a more thorough clean is required, the shower head can be removed by unlocking the shower head ring. To do so, rotate the ring counterclockwise, then remove the shower head. Once clean, reinstall the shower head. That's it. Now you can go back to brewing the perfect cup in your Precision Brewer.